Welcome everybody to another episode of Kool-Aid Outdoors. We are here in Montana, headed up to a lake. Getting a little late start today. We're going to do a little camping, a little fishing, and we're going to cook some dinner up. And we got about an hour drive left, a little over an hour drive left, so I'll get back to you when we get there. Alright everybody, well, we made it up here to the lake where we're going to be camping and we're going to do some fishing tonight. Got all the poles set up. We got it sitting out there, so let's go see. Let's get some camp organized a little bit. There's the truck. Let's get everything set up. That's pretty cool. There's a family over there, and I just got here, got my poles set up and everything, and they're on a fish right now, so good for them. Congratulations if you ever see this. Alright, well, that's where we're going to be sleeping tonight, so let's get it organized in there, and let's see if this works. And there it is. That was quick. Hopefully it's pretty comfortable tonight. Good evening everybody. Well, we've been fishing here for a little bit. No luck so far, but we're going to keep trying. Everybody knows, if you guys want to walk around in my vehicle, just let me know. It's a 2014 F-150. I got mine a year ago. If you guys are interested in it, just let me know. I can do a walk around. So we're gonna keep fishing. Here in a little bit, we are gonna try to cook up some dinner. It's getting a little dark on us, so hopefully we can get, have good enough light so we can video. We're gonna cook up some dinner on the wood fire. So yeah, but we're gonna keep fishing for a little bit. So beautiful. Looks like there's a lot of snow up there. Alright everyone, well, we're running out of daylight here, so let's go get our camp set up and where we're going to sleep for the night and maybe make some food. This is our view tonight. Alright everybody, well, let's see if we can get our fire started. If we can get it going. Thought this was kind of cool. Thought it'd be kind of cool to video. Haven't seen one in person. Seen them on, videos, of course, but kind of cool. By the way, I am not sponsored by anything you see in this video. I paid for everything myself. Just want to make sure everybody knows that. Wow, that was quick. That thing started up pretty fast. Well, that's real fast. We need to maybe get our frying pan out here and start getting it heated up while this is heating up. Nice. Alright. Got my cheap little $5 frying pan. Maybe if I can get the glue out of it. little spooky up here at night when you're by yourself. I think you gotta get used to that. But it's something I've always wanted to do, so I'm giving it a whirl. Well, everybody, we are finally got everything settled down. We are cooking on the fire right now. Well, heating up our frying pan. We're going to be cooking on there in a little bit. All I got right now is some turkey bacon and eggs, which I cheated and got egg whites in a box just so I didn't have to worry about breaking eggs. So, we're going to cook up some dinner here in a little bit. And yeah, and this is also, just so everybody knows, this is my first official solo camping trip. And I chose November in Montana to do it. It's a little cold. Don't have a heater tonight, so I hope I can make it tonight. But I guess if it gets too cold, I can just start the truck and warm up. So we'll see if we make it. But let's cook up some dinner and we'll talk later. Wow, folks, I'm impressed. It's just concentrated heat in one area. I love it. It's awesome for cooking. So far, I'm pretty impressed. I like it. I got her a little hot. But at least it should cook fast. Ooh, I almost dropped it. And this log thing, man, I'm gonna have to make one. This thing's pretty cool. Man, this thing's working out pretty good. Got that concentrated heat on there, man. It cooks fast. I'm digging it. Just complete darkness all around, except right there. Alright, well, we are back with tonight's meal. It is still sizzling. And I got the perfect stuff for the eggs. A little Alpine touch. If you want something good on eggs, you gotta try this. I'm telling you, it is so good. It's good on a lot of stuff, but eggs the most. And remember, I am not sponsored by anybody. I just really, really, really like this stuff on eggs. And it's good on other stuff, like I said. But let's eat. I'm getting hungry. Also, after dinner, we got a little s'mores to make. Well, sort of. We got marshmallows full of chocolate. And if that else fails, and if they're not very good, let's go with the good stuff. They just have marshmallows. Roast marshmallows. You gotta have marshmallows when you're doing a fire. I mean, come on. That's a must. But we'll finish eating. Oh, that's hot, 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 hot. I forgot to, after I talked about it, I forgot to add more. Well, dinner's all finished up, so I'm gonna clean up my disaster zone here, and then I'm gonna make probably one marshmallow, and then probably go to bed. It's getting late. All right, well, we're all cleaned up. Marshmallow time. Let's see if we can get this to work. I can feel that the chocolate is pretty hard in there. I think these are made for summer, not fall when it's cold out. But, oh no. It went in. We're good. I thought that was going to be a lot worse. But we made it. Let's go cook it. Alrighty. Let's cook this up. Little dessert after dinner, huh? Ooh, went out. There we go. Nice and burnt. Mucho better. Yeah, she is nice and burnt now. Oh yeah, way better. The burnt, way better. So good. No, not burnt enough. That chocolate was still hard. Might have to burn it more. But anyway, we headed out of here tonight. So next time for bed, and we will catch you in the morning. And just in case, so nobody freaks out, yes, I put my fire out, being safe before I go to bed. Make sure the fire's out. All right, well, we're in bed now, and found out that this is gonna be a bad night of sleep. I am way too tall. Look at this. I am way too tall for this truck. I am gonna be so cramped tonight. But hopefully I can stay warm. That's the biggest issue. And yeah, hopefully we can at least try to get a good night's sleep. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting tonight. I'm way too big for this truck. So we will catch you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Well, we made it through the night, sleeping in the truck. Kind of a rough night, a little too tall for that thing. So, but we didn't get too cold till about 5 o'clock this morning, but we made her. So, we're gonna go down to the lake, throw a line in, make some coffee, and get our day started. We'll see you down there. All right, well, we're down here at the lake now. It is 7:15 in the morning. So, we're gonna throw a line out here and see if we can catch a fish. And while we're waiting to do that, or after we throw a line in, we're gonna start a fire and make some coffee. Got a new way to make coffee, so we'll see if it tastes better. All right, well, we got a new way to make coffee. We got a French press now, so hopefully our coffee will taste a little bit better than the other day. So, and also, I'm going to try to start the log in the fire and see what happens. But I got it so wet last night that I'm afraid that I'm not going to be able to get it with a lighter, so I'm going to see if I can light it with this. Let's see what happens. All right, well, the fire's taking forever. Got to pull out, no luck yet. So I'm gonna get another pole rigged up so we have twice a chance. So let's get to it. All right, everybody, I wasn't recording, but I got one. Hooked into one. He's fighting pretty hard, so he seems pretty decent. That was a fail. Finally got one. catch and cook time? Look at that thing. Beautiful fish. Well, we're gonna do catch and cook. I'm gonna dispatch this guy off camera. Alright, and we're back, everybody. Got the fish all filleted up, but didn't do a very good job, so I don't know if I'm gonna fillet again, but we'll see. Well, there's our fish. Beautiful. So red. We got a frying pan. We're just gonna fry it up in some oil, and we're gonna have some breakfast. We're gonna have some trout and some eggs. Sounds like a pretty good breakfast. Let's get to cooking. And also, while we're cooking some trout and eggs, we're going to make some coffee while we're at it at the same time. Oh, this little guy. He's not much scared of me, that's for sure. He's pretty close to me. Well, we got breakfast done here. Got a little trout, some eggs. Trout looks good. Let's give her a try. That's pretty good. No seasoning, nothing. Just a little oil to cook it. All right, everybody. That's what we're going to call it. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to sit here and enjoy breakfast, and we'll see you on the next adventure.